Do you have one of these at home? It's called a POWERLINK, and this video is going to show you different ways that you can use it with different things in your house. Okay, let's check out the different parts of this machine. It has two sets of outlets labeled outlet 1 and outlet 2. It has two spots for switches to get plugged in, switch 1, switch 2, and it has these two dials. This dial changes the mode that it's in, and this bottom one is a timer. Let's zoom in on the modes and talk about the different modes. We've got timed seconds. This will turn an item on for a determined number of seconds. We have direct. Direct means you got to hold the switch down the whole time that you want the thing on. Latch. Latch works like a traditional on and off switch. So if you plugged in a lamp, hit the switch, it would stay on until you hit it again, boop, to turn it off. Timed minutes works just like timed seconds, but instead of seconds, it counts it in minutes. When you're setting timed minutes or timed seconds, you use this timer dial that goes anywhere from 1 to 60. So if it's on timed minutes, this is 1 minute. But if you put it on timed seconds, it's 1 second. Generally, I think somewhere around 15 to 20 seconds is a good amount of time for a timed seconds setup. The easiest way to figure out if something you have will work with the POWERLINK is to plug it in, turn it on, unplug it, plug it back in, and if it turns on when you plug it back in, it's gonna work with the POWERLINK. Here, let me show you. Here, see, it's on. Turn it on, it has an on switch. Turn off. It's on. If I unplug it, it turns off. But if I plug it back in, it's going to turn right back on. This means it's going to work with the POWERLINK. Okay, what about this mixer? Let's see. Plug it in. Turn it on. Unplug it. It's off. If I plug it back in, will it turn back on? Yep, this is going to work with the POWERLINK. Okay, we're going to see if this fan will work. Let's plug it in.
Try.
And turn it on. All right, it's on. Let's unplug it. It's off and plug it back in. And it's on. Okay, it should work. Okay, I have the fan plugged into the POWERLINK and set on timed seconds. We're going to use the switch to turn the fan on. Sage, can you use the switch to turn the fan on? Right here. Right here. Oh, the fan is on. Let's try the disco ball. You get the switch. Whoa. It turned. Stop. You can make it go. You made it go.
Stop. Stop.
Now, if you want to have lots of fun, you can plug in two things at once. We have the light and the fan plugged in. Put that back on timer. All right, let's make them go. If you have any questions on how to get your POWERLINK to work, just let me know and we will see if we can answer them. Good luck!